Okay, I have saved my file and named it Halloran Employee Orientation Manual Edit. Went ahead and saved that. Okay, now the first thing that we have to do here is, if you notice in the textbook on the top of page 273, it says before you start the exercise, please be sure that the date format option are set as described in there. And I think what people were having a problem with is when they got into the task, we went to task usage view. Okay. And then when you got in here, you weren't seeing any of the times, so that you could change Kevin's times. So in order to change the or check the date format, you have to go up to File, and then you're going to Options. And then once here in Options, it says to be sure that it's set to the date 12809 plus the 12:33 p.m. format. This way, besides turning the date on, it's going to turn the time on. So now when I say OK, now you see that you actually have the times now in here. You have the start and the finish times. So I'm just moving these little boxes over a little bit so that you can see the actual start and finish times. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to number 19, and we're going to delay Kevin. So we're going to click here on Kevin, and instead of him starting at 10:45, we're going to change him to 11:30. Okay, so you could just click in there or double click, and you could click in this little box here and just change that to 11:30. Make sure you get the colon in there. Okay, and also we have to make sure that his finish time gets changed too. So his finish time is going to be actually 12 noon now. So I'll make sure that I put in there 12 noon, and we're going to change that to p.m. Okay, and then I'm going to say OK, which is going to change him from 11:30 to 12. And then you're just going to go ahead and click on Save. And then you can see here that Sydney is actually starting at the 10:45 time and ending at 11:15. And then we have Kevin will start at 11:30 to 12 noon.